it's gonna be about spot healing. See, as you can see, this guy's got some blemishes, and what we're gonna use is the spot healing tool. It's under the red eye and above the stamp. So you want to click it. Now make sure your brush is the right size when you start using it. See, like that, so it's been removed. And you want to try and get the noticeable ones, like the ones right there, right there. And don't smudge it, because when you smudge it, it doesn't end well. See, I may have just made a mistake with it. Now sometimes the blemishes will move. As you can see, his blemishes have been removed. And also, don't forget to save it.